Hey, so we out here again, back again, day 2. I'll let them introduce themselves.
I'm Chris, co-founder of Outside the Quad, working with KB Media. How you doing? I'm all right. I hope you're all right.
Hi, how you doing, man? This is Corey. I'm just the guy, man. I'm going along for the ride, man. That's all I'm doing, man.
Along for the ride.
Freeloader. All right.
Quick. 3, 4, 5 seconds, man. What's Outside the Quad? What you do there?
In short, pretty much what we do is we interview underground artists. We talk about sports. We do music videos, all things of that nature. We go state to state, trying to go to the Virgin Islands and be country to country if we could. Stuff like that, man. So just let us know, man, if you want some business or some work done.
Trying to go back to school. I gotta finish school. Everybody if you ain't finished school, man, try and finish school, man. Cause I got like 2 more classes to go, and it's very important that you do go if that's what you want to do. After that, I see myself probably doing some type of sports broadcasting, some sort of radio, TV type of thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just getting started with these guys here, man. We are trying to do something.
You know you gotta do a video. What kind of steps you take to be like, nah, you have to do a video, you know?
It just comes down to persistence and consistency. Those 2 things that I try to follow and discipline myself, you know. Like if I say within every 48 hours or 72 hours, I need to do some type of recording or some type of editing, something to just keep your skills fresh.
I'm trying to be consistent and trying to follow my passion on what I want to do. Just wanted to get a little feedback from them real quick on the camera. Follow Chris on Outside the Quad, Corey. You'll see him a lot around, and when he gets his broadcasting done, you'll see his work. Also, we got some big plans coming up soon. Don't want to spoil it, but we got some stuff coming up that we about to be doing. That's it.
Follow KB Media.
KB Media on Instagram. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Y'all stay tuned. Peace. Get that brand.
I love how white dudes walk past black women. I'd be like, bro, you don't see this fineness, bro? You know what, man? You all right?
I'm recording that.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's fine. Go ahead. It's obvious style, tradition, and quality.
That's not what it is.
It's OSTQ.